Now that our projects allow us to update details, let's make those same changes to our tasks. Let's start in functions.php and update the addTask function. First, we need to accept the optional task ID. Then we can check for that ID to see if we're going to add or update the task. If our task ID is set, then we're going to update. SQL equals update. Our tasks, we'll set our project ID, title, date, and time. Where task ID else we're going to be using the insert. Once again, the update statement has one more placeholder than the insert statement, so let's add another bind value. If task ID bind value 5 equals our task ID. We also need to be able to get our task details, so let's copy the getProject function. We'll rename project to task. Let's also rewrite our select statement to pull fields in the order we specify. This will be helpful when pulling those results. Our functions are ready, so let's add the link in our task list page. To our list item, we add href equals task.php ID equals. Then we'll use our item, task ID, and then finish off our A tag. Finally, we're ready to update our task page. Let's copy the getID conditional from the project page. Let's update the list function to use all the task details. Task ID, title, date, time, and project ID. Then we use getTask and keep our filter input the same. Now we add the task ID to the post condition. Remember, this is a number int. Then we can use that task ID to pass to our addTask function. Next, we'll update our header text to show if we're adding or updating a task. If not empty, task ID, then we're updating. Else, we're adding. Finally, we need to add the hidden field to the form. Let's copy the code from the project.php file again. and change out project for task. Let's test out our work in a browser. Select Tasks, and then choose My New Task. Let's update and submit. Whoops, let's go back and update the SQL statement. Update tasks. Let's try that again. Great work! Our task is updated.